this July on Pinoy Blockbuster Movies. The heartthrobs of Philippine cinema will make you fall in love over and over again. A hopeful and moving love story with Mark Eras, Jonalyn Mercado, and Dennis Trillo in Blue Moon.
Parang malapit. Pero napakalayo. Bakit ganun? Kung ano yung gusto mong maabot, yun yung napapalayo sa'yo.
Will unrequited love survive? Rafael Rosel, Pauline Luna, and Tom Rodriguez in Gaydar.
Gusto kong maniwala sa henerasyon natin na hindi mahalaga ang pera.
Dingdong Dantes and Marian Rivera will prove again that love knows no distance and status in life. In You to Me Are Everything.
Kahit ilang bilyong piso pa, hindi ko tatanggapin yon kung ikaw ang kapalit.
Will forbidden love endure the test of fate? Richard Gutierrez and Angel Oxin in Manupo, Hua ID.
Kung pwede lang po sana ako maging Chinese, matagal ko nang ginawa.
Be ready to be giddy these Sundays of July. Only here on GMA Pinoy TV.